got me thinking. When I'm at you, I am really sleeping. It's cold outside, we be in bed feeling. Till the late night, it must be the season. For you and I, but I got a problem and I think that you can solve it tonight. Because it's the eve of Christmas and it does look tight, the wish list. I forgot a gift this year to put under the tree, so you're gonna have to unwrap me. Come on, me, baby boy, I'm yours to keep. You'll find me waiting underneath the tree. So unwrap me, baby boy, I'm yours to keep. A gift of flavor, candy flavor, so unwrap me.
Unwrap me, boy, you don't even need none of them fancy toys. When you can have me, baby, that's the joy.
You're so happy with me.
I knew you stay, you made a wish. You put me on your Christmas list. Now we posted by the fireplace. You told me I'm your favorite gift. You got me singing Silent Night and shit. It's a chimney, the way you be sliding in. Pretty paper is what I'm writing.